long as it gets the job done, right? Is that my truck? Bitch, you told me you were gonna help me. So better, I couldn't even take that one out.
Like, this one's on a washer. Nigga's Mexican side.
I married a girl that has Mexican in her.
Nah.
She's gonna snap. It's not coming out.
Go.
I already took them out.
Go ahead.
You can already hear it. Look.
Bro,
3,
go.
2, 1.
Go. I just want to see. Just go. Oh.
Damn, man. Chance. This is $18 worth of coffee. Just remember that when we go to somewhere to go eat. So you know, you got me. So I bought all y'all motherfucking coffee. Where's your coffee at, David?
You didn't bring me one.
I did bring you one. Where's it at?
Right there, huh?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in.
Everywhere you go, do you just go on people's and just
Yeah,
make them shut the music?
It's copyright music.
Why is it copyright?
I don't even know why you're jamming to this right now.
What do you mean? It's fucking like local people. No one knows them.
Look, there's a copy right there.
You just have a thing against like people that are trying to make a living besides you, and you don't want to like spread out their music.
You're really getting on your feelings just because I told you to lower down the music? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for tuning in. So today I forgot to mention on the last video, well, I forgot to take out the whole front end. I forgot to take off the whole front end right here. I was gonna do that yesterday, but I got real busy on taking the stuff apart from the bottom, which is the starter, the exhaust, bolts that's holding the engine to the transmission. Now we're gonna be taking off the harness, front end. That's pretty much it, I believe, because this is the first time actually pulling out an LS motor. Woohoo! With coffee. And shout out to David. David right here. He's letting me use his shop for today. Follow him in on Instagram. It's on the description below. He does paint and body. Does a really good job. See, I added that you do a really good job.
Yeah, that's what you always say.
Yeah, that's what I always say. That's because it's true. And his assistant, Chance, he's just camera shy. That's why you don't want to look at the camera. Come here, look at the camera. I bought you coffee.
Yeah, no, thank you.
All right, let me see your face just for like a split second. There you go. So people can know. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing to the GMC today. Oh, by the way, before this video continues, you guys want to see something very interesting? This is what David did with our friend's truck because he was taking off the lift. And my friend was literally like, hey man, do you have a lift? And David was like, no, not really, but we can make it work. You see what I'm looking at? You see what I'm looking at? Look at this. David, what were you thinking about when you decided to take on this project of taking off the lift?
I thought it was gonna be harder.
So that was easy?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, you know exactly how to take apart. Oh wait, I forgot you're a body man. You know how to take apart. All right guys, let's start with the GMC. So first we're gonna take off the front, then we're gonna be taking off the harness, and then we're gonna go all the way to Steven's place and get the engine hoist. We can take this bad boy out and go all the way to Velocity's place, start working on this motor. Let me know in the comments below if I should cam it or not. Let me just see if I can or not, because there's a possibility that I might put a cam into this motor. Who knows? What you do?
I hate myself on the scab I have.
So
this truck.
Explain to the people why we taking off the whole front.
Today we're taking off the whole front because we're gonna take off some rust off these frame rails, paint them black or whatever color the fans want.
Technically we're taking everything off, so it's easier to take out the motor. Plus we are going to be sanding down, grinding off the rust or whatever the hell we're gonna do to take off that rust. Basically killing the birds with one stone.
V10 motor, you know, ready for assembly line.
You're so hilarious. That's a 6.0, sir.
We're here, we're dealing with the only V8 Omar has ever had.
Nah. That's my third one, buddy. All right, guys, so we're almost done taking it off. I'm just figuring out what bolt. I got the one from the top, I got one from the bottom. I got to get the ones in here, and that's it, or?
That should be it. Then after that, the whole motor is gonna be exposed. You're gonna, we literally, we could take this, us three could take this hoe out without an engine hoist, just straight muscle.
As soon as you said that little, no, you're stupid. I know how to take off the harness from the LTs, I just don't know how to do it from the LS motors.
You're talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
I thought you were talking to the camera. You never brought me a coffee. This is not coffee, I told you.
I don't know what the hell it is.
It's a cappuccino, dog.
Yeah, as long as it has caffeine, it's coffee to me.
Coca-Cola.
It's the only way to warm up.
Coca-Cola's coffee to him. Sprite is coffee to him. Fanta's coffee
I take
to
it back.
him.
I take
Dr.
it back.
Pepper's
I take
coffee
it back.
to him. 7-Up is coffee to him. Sierra Mist is coffee to him. Pepsi is coffee to him.
Alright guys, well, we're gonna get back to it. That's just a little bit of talking to one another. We're just playing around for a little bit. This is the last one right here. This is the last bolt. Harbor Freight tools to the rescue for the wallet. As long as it gets the job done, right? Can't wait to just start taking all the rust out. I already paid you a coffee, didn't I? Not good enough. The coffee before it spills. I mean the mocha, or whatever the hell you call it. I already took out that bolt, that bolt, that bolt. Didn't you take one of these off before?
Yeah.
You should remember.
I know how to take it off.
Well, I'm waiting.
This ain't my truck.
Bitch, you told me you were gonna help me. God damn hammer. 1999, yeah, it's been on here for a good while. But this is a brand new motor. This motor didn't come with this truck.
Take off the radiator and the condenser. And
all in one piece.
Grab it good, dog. Grab it good.
Alright guys, so I figured out the problem. I didn't take off the bolts from back here. I didn't see those. The ones on this side right here that's connected to the pan of the battery, where the battery goes basically.
You figured it out.
Yeah, I did figure it out. Alright guys, so I decided to take the transmission out. So while we're trying to take off the transmission, the harness is so guys. Alex told me that this was gonna be a project because he knows that there was a lot of wrong with it, and he told me about it, and I said, well, it can't be that bad, and it turns out it was that bad. That shit is so bad, and I couldn't even take that one out.
Like this one's on a washer.
This thing is bro, like even the outside, even inside is all.
And this like it's melted.
The outside of the motor, the inside of the motor, the outside of the truck, the inside of the truck is bro, I am so pissed right now.
You need a new one of these.
Yeah, I know.
14.
You need a 14 down there?
There's a negative on there.
We're trying to take the harness off, and I haven't taken out the harness from the back of the motor, but it's the first time actually doing this, so he's been doing it. He's teaching me. You said, oh, what again?
Give me a 14 on for the small rev.
Looks like we're not gonna be taking it to velocity today. We've been on it. I've been on it for a good while. We went to go eat, but I did came late. We went to go eat. I was taking off some stuff from the bottom, the harness. I know people are in the comments gonna be like, "Oh, I can take it all in like 2 hours." Well, good for you.
I could take it out like in 30 minutes. I think the fastest amount of time we took out a motor was like 25 minutes.
Okay, well, this is the first time actually doing this
on a Camry.
I'm also holding the camera and trying to take things out. That's a real valuable excuse because two things, it's hard.
Give me the 13 or 12. Bring me a 13.
For the small one?
Pull it out, bro. There you go, dog. There's your badass 6.0 harness.
Oh man, this truck is a piece of. Can't blame Alex, man. He told me what was gonna happen to this truck. Like, man, I didn't think it was gonna be this bad. Oh well, I'm having fun learning. Now I get to know how to rebuild a harness or get somebody to do it, because there's a lot of wires. Oh bro, this thing is rusted all the way up.
Hey, Chance, you think you can find me the pry bar?
Finally here. Okay guys, so I was gonna get the engine hoist and call Steven so I can go pick it up, but these guys that are working here a little bit, the guys that just came over here right now, they said no problem, they have an engine hoist. They're like a block away, so they went to go get their engine hoist, and we're gonna pull out this baby today. Sucks that I couldn't take it to Velocity. I know it took all day, but there's been a lot of damage underneath, a lot of stuff stuck, melted. All right guys, time to take out the motor. The other hood.
Oh.
Put it on the top of the hood. Just put it over here, okay. It's already strapped up, ready to come out, and tomorrow we're taking it to Velocity, because today was a pain in the ass. Took a little longer than expected, but it's my first time. David's busy, so I can't use him all the time. And there was a lot of f***ed up shit underneath. There was a lot of rusted, melted parts. It's not coming out.
Go.
I already took them out.
Go ahead.
This is gonna snap.
Go ahead.
This is gonna snap. Right here, look.
Bro,
3, 2, 1.
Go. I just want to see. Just go. Oh. I saw the motor move, so that's a good sign.
We're putting a seat belt. Attempt number 2. This time with the seat belt. Let's see how it goes.
Huh? Make sure the oil is falling in the thing.
It is. Man, all of it's coming out.
Go under there, Omar, and push it this way.
It's touching the frame right here.
Wait, it's over here, wait.
Look.
I gotta lift up the transmission from behind. The bolt.
You don't have a jack?
Alright, hold on. Let me try to get it from the middle.
Oh, that's a big ass oil pan.
Alright. Pull it out. Alright, go.
Nah, it's just rubbing on something, bro.
Give me the big crowbar.
Here.
Look, the thing is that if you pull the engine down, look at the oil pan. It's gonna touch right here, bro. You're looking down there.
It's on it.
Nah, but by the time we're out that far, we should be able to raise it higher.
Pull it out.
Let me lower it a little.
Alright, there we go.
Try to push it out with your arms. It's still like it's stuck. Pull it back. Pull it back. Lift it up high. Pull it back.
So the motor's finally out. That's the good news. Bad news is we made a big mess. We took out the drive shaft and all the oil came out. We had a feeling it was gonna happen. We took the risk. Yeah, look at all that. So I went to go get some kitty litter. Good thing about the whole situation is that I feel like transmission oil is better to clean than engine oil.
Move the truck, push it out, leave the motor here so tomorrow you can take my truck, load it up, take Take it to velocity.
Which is it?
I'm gonna buy another round of kitty litter. All right, guys, so we're gonna be moving the truck, so we're getting access to the rest of the oil. Put some kitty litter, make it easy for us. Tomorrow we're taking this motor to velocity. Hopefully, I'm not even gonna say it, because I was smelling oil being burned every time I was driving it. When I even put the new oil in there, this truck is a lot of work, honestly. I know it is. That's why it's a rebuild.